Nykaa's Hot Pink sale is live at the moment. I am here with some amazing recommendations, some amazing hacks wherein you can save a lot of money. If you want to know how, please keep on watching. Today's video is gonna be about what and why you should buy from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So the first product that I would like to recommend is MAC Studio Fix Plus. The one that I have is in the variant Gold Light. Variant in the sense they come in quite a few shades. Gold Light comes with a hint of gold to it. So once you spray it, not only it fixes your makeup, it also leaves a slight sheen onto your face. The best part is that it can be used as a primer and post your makeup as a makeup fixer. So it is a 2-in-1 product and I would highly recommend it. The next recommendation that I have is again from MAC. It is their strobe cream. The one that I have is in the variant Gold Light again. This works as a beautiful moisturizer and it looks amazing underneath your makeup. It gives that glow from within kind of a look. I know both of these products are a little on the steeper side and currently they are retailing on MRP. However, you are getting an amazing deal. So if you shop above 2500, you can pick a full size lipstick, and if you shop above 3500, you can pick up either a lipstick or a highlighter, which I think is an amazing deal. For a full size product, you have to pay somewhere around 2500 to 3100. So if you're getting a full size product free, that means you're easily saving somewhere around 2500, which I think is amazing. Moving on, we have quite a few products from Maybelline. This is an amazing drugstore brand and they have quite a few gems. So the first recommendation has to be Matte Poreless Fit Me. Now the shade that I have is 310. This is a tad bit light on my skin, so if you are close to my skin tone, I would recommend go for 312 golden. That is a perfect match for my skin tone. Coming to the formula, it is very comfortable, looks very skin-like. This is a buildable formula, so if you need a little more coverage, you can put on one more coat and it will still look skin-like. This is a pretty lightweight formula and I would highly recommend if you are a beginner. Currently this is on sale. You can grab this one for 412. That is it is on 25% discount, which I think is great. Moving on to a little more coverage foundation. This is their Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Now as it says, it is pretty full coverage, but it still looks skin-like. It is very lightweight and it is a long wearing formula. Again, this one is on sale. This is on 30% off. That is, you're getting this on 525. Originally this one retails for 750, so at this price point I think it is a steal. Moving on, we have the OG highlighter from Maybelline. It is Molten Gold. It is their Master Chrome Molten Gold. This is such a beautiful golden highlighter. It is very finely milled and looks beautiful on skin. Also, this one does not highlight textures at all, which I think is great. This one again is on sale. This one is on 35% off and you can get this one for just 358. For this price point, even the quantity is really nice and the packaging is also pretty sturdy. So yeah, I like it. Next we have a concealer. This is their Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. And this is such a beautiful concealer. This is light. It is very nice if you want to highlight or even if you want to conceal any dark spots as well. But I use this one in the shade medium for highlighting my under eyes and it works beautifully. It does not crease much. So yeah, I think it is a great product and you should grab this one. This one is currently on sale. You can get this one for just 434. This one is also on 30% discount and yeah, very nice. Next up in recommendation is Maybelline Spot Highlighter. Now this one needs no introduction. This is super jet black, super long lasting, and also it comes with a very precise brush. This one has sufficient quantity. All you need to make sure is that whenever you use it, either you keep it upside down or you cap it, otherwise it dries down really quickly. so I had to purchase mine because my first pot got dried. This one is currently on sale for 335 rupees. This is currently going at a 35% discount, which I think is great. They have also come up with a combo wherein you are getting a mascara and this gel eyeliner for just 501 rupees, which I think is amazing. But if you want to buy that individually, even that is there. And I have a mascara recommendation, which is, now if you don't want to go for the combo and buy things individually, even that is great. I have a mascara recommendation as well. This is Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. This is by far my favorite mascara from Maybelline. I love the wand that it comes with. I like this mascara mainly because of the wand. The wand is super unique. It has a curve to it. If you can see where it's touching my palm, it has a curve here. So it really hugs your lashes from the inner corners as well. The wand has two kinds of bristles. Sorry, I forgot to show. So the bristles on the top are a little lengthier and the bristles on the bottom are a tad bit shorter. So these are really nice if you want to coat the lower lashes as well. I think the formula and the wand is totally worth the price. So I think it is a must have. Also, again, this one is on sale. This one is for 332, which I think is amazing. The last recommendation from Maybelline is a lip liner. I love the color. This is my go-to red lip liner. Just let me rub this off. The color payoff is great. The color looks amazing. It is a very beautiful red color. I hope you can see. I hope it's focusing. And this is one lip liner that I use under almost all my red lipsticks. This one is currently on sale and you can get this one for 135. So go grab yours now. Okay, moving on to Wet n Wild. I have quite a few recommendations from Wet n Wild. The first one that I would like to recommend is this blush. This is in the shade Mellow Wine. And if you can see, I have hit pan on this one. This is such a beautiful shade. It really puts life onto your face. And it is not too stark. It shows up on the skin, but it does not give you those clown cheeks. Also, the formula is really blendable and it comes in such a sleek packaging, so it is quite travel friendly as well, and it is very decently priced. So without sale, this is for 299 and currently you can get this for just 224 rupees. That is on a 25% off, which I think is amazing. The next product that I would like to recommend, and this is like a must buy, is this contour palette. Again, I have hit pan on this one. As you can see, the powder is really softly milled, this one, and it's very nice to set the whole makeup and also to highlight the face. Even the contour is really nice. This one shows up on my skin. This is not too light, not too dark. The one that I have is in the variant Caramel Toffee. However, if you are of a lighter skin tone, they do have another variant which is lighter than this one. This one is for 499, but again, this is on 25% off, and currently you can get this one for just 374 rupees. So you're actually getting two products, that too fairly decently sized. So yeah, this one has to be on the recommendation list. Moving on, I have two lip liners from Wet n Wild. Now again, the formula is supremely buttery and the color is very beautiful. This is a nude lip liner for me. If you are fairer, then this might look a little chocolatey on you, but this one serves as a nude to me, and this is like my go-to shade. The pigmentation is so beautiful that you can use this as a lipstick itself. Sometimes I just use it on all over my lips and just top it up with the lip gloss, and I'm good to go. This is a beautiful shade. Another shade that I have from the same range is this one is Chestnut. The nude one is Chestnut, and this one is Fab Fuchsia. This is a sort of magenta shade, so this goes underneath all the mauves and pinks that I use. This one. It looks beautiful on my skin tone. In general also, this would look beautiful on anybody's skin tone. I specifically like it because of the quantity and the formula. The formula is pretty long lasting as well, and you get these just for 135. Even these are on discount at the moment, and you get these for just 101 rupees. Moving on to Wet n Wild lipsticks. Now these have been a cult favorite. I have 3 shade recommendations here. So the first one that I have is Berry Recognize. This I don't have any complaints about. The packaging, the wand, the formula, the longevity, and the pricing. Everything about it is great. The first shade is Berry Recognize. This is a beautiful berry. It is a beautiful berry shade and looks fab on my skin. I would highly recommend this shade. So that's there. So the next one that I have is Give Me Mocha. This looks like a nude on me, but it is a very light chocolate brown kind of a shade. And oh my god, do I need to tell you how beautiful this looks? Come on, but how would you know if you don't focus? Yeah. So it has brown, a very tad bit of pink, and it looks stunning. And honestly, this is the most comfortable liquid matte formula that I have tried. I absolutely fell in love with the formula, and I would urge you to try the formula at least once. Coming to the discount, these are currently discounted at 25%, and you can get each one for just 374 rupees, which I think is great. And I love red lipsticks, and for every collection that I make sure I have a red from each range. I don't know, I'm weird like that. Anyways, I have the shade Missy and Fierce, and this is such a beautiful blue toned red. This has a very seductive kind of a look. For some reason, it looks really fierce, as the name suggests, and seductive and beautiful. This is a blue toned red, which means this will make your teeth look white unlike other reds. And yeah, this is all that I had to recommend from Wet n Wild. Moving on to Wet n Wild is also running an offer along with the discount. So if you buy anything above 699, you get a free Mega Last lipstick. Moving on to next recommendation, I have 2 products from Sugar. Currently they are running buy 2 get 1 free. So if I had to pick up, I would pick up, of course, the crayons. These are the matte as hell lip crayons. I have 2 shades. As I said, one has to be red, so one is red. This is the OG Scarlett O'Hara. Now this is such a beautiful red. I don't have words for it. This one is Scarlett O'Hara, and it looks stunning. I have heard people calling it a dupe for Ruby Woo. I really don't know because I don't own a Ruby Woo, but this one looks really stunning, and the formula is supremely comfortable. You don't feel anything on your lips. Also, being a crayon formula, these are really long lasting. You can easily survive a meal and coffee, tea, etc. If I had to recommend another shade from the same range, I would recommend Jackie Brown. Again, this one is a perfect nude for me and looks very beautiful on the skin tone. It gives that life back to your face kind of shade, and I absolutely love this one, so I would highly recommend it. These retail for 799, so if you pick 3, you just have to pay for 2. If not these lipsticks, then I would pick up the blush. This is their cream blush in the shade Coral, and this is such a beautiful tangerine color, but it does not come up that stark. It is very blendable. Also, it comes in this kind of a packaging, so you have to twist to get the product out, and you just twist it back in like a bullet lipstick. So these are extremely travel friendly, and the packaging is also very sturdy. So these are very blendable. They don't leave patch or anything at all. I really like this blush if I have to create a no makeup look, because this blends so seamlessly and you don't see any product. It just blends into your skin really well. That is all that I had to recommend from Sugar. Moving on to another lipstick recommendation, which is from Faces Canada. if you had to pick up any two, I would request you to pick up these two for good reasons. Not only these shades are amazing, the color payoff is amazing. They are beautiful shades. The formula is really comfortable. It is long lasting. The packaging is sturdy, and guess what? You are getting buy one get one free. Okay, why I would recommend these two shades? First, let me swatch. The first shade that I would recommend is Obsessed. Now this is a very burnt orange kind of a shade. I find this shade to be really flattering and unique. This looks very beautiful on any skin tone. This is a multi-purpose lipstick because I use this one as a color corrector as well, and this blends seamlessly onto your skin. So if you had to buy any two lipsticks, I would urge you to pick this one. And the next recommendation that I have from the same range is Espresso. Now this is a beautiful muted brown. Oh god, I swatch bad. So this is how it looks. This is a beautiful brown. Not only this looks amazing on lips, but this one acts as a contour, which I think is 2-in-1. So you will be saving money just buying these two. You will be getting, so you will be paying $799 for these two, and you will be getting lipsticks, color corrector and a contour, which I think is a steal. If you agree, let me know in the comment section below. Moving on to the last recommendation, I have an eyeshadow palette. Now I know it is a bit steep, but you are getting an amazing discount. This one retails for 5,375 and currently you can get this one for just 3,494 rupees. If you are confused, if you just have to grab one palette, I would say save the bucks and buy this one. This is such a beautiful formula. All these shades that you see on the top are metallic and these are very pigmented. You see, and even they swatch beautifully. They have a very metallic soft finish. I cannot explain how beautiful the formula is, and they transfer exactly the way they look on the pan. Also, there is a lot of variety. You can create smoky looks using these. You can create pink, orange, again quite a few varieties of pink. You have beautiful muted golds. Where is it? You have muted golds and a bright gold right here. And these shade can be used easily to blend the crease as a transition shade. So this is an all-in-one palette. If you just had to buy one palette, I would say go grab this one, especially if on discount. There is nothing like it. And with that, we come to an end of this recommendation video. I hope you like it. If you did, please show some love. Give me a thumbs up. Show some love in the comment section. And let me know how can I improve. Your feedback means a lot to me. And that's about it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It would mean a world to me. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please take care. Bye bye.